Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. So let's tap on it. Now we have to enter About Phone, which is at the top of this list, and here we have to find a special number which is called build number, and all we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So let's keep tapping, and as you can see, we have to be cautious because we will have this option, and whenever we'll tap on it again it will disappear. So simply keep tapping until you will see this allow development settings option. So let's simply confirm it with OK. You will have to enter your pattern PIN or password in order to confirm everything. And as you can see, we are in the developer mode. So we can go back to the system settings, and right here under the reset options, the developer options will appear, not disappear. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can customize the media, so we can disable the USB audio routing. Here we can manage the animation scale, we can show surface updates, pointer location, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got also some technical options which are connected with the networking, so the Bluetooth, USB and Wi-Fi. So quite a lot of options to choose from to customize. And if you want to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher, so it works just like in the regular settings, and as you can see, the option will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top. And as you can see right now, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options should disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.